Hey guys, so today we will be doing like a sunrise look, and my hair is wet because just got out of the shower. So put on your chapstick first of all. Gotta make sure them lips are nice and luscious. And as always, start with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk as your base. And just start blending that out. And I added a bit more up here just so I could make sure I got all the way up to my brows so I could get full coverage. And our transition color is going to be yellow. So just pick out any nice yellow and on a fluffy brush pack that on, or on a packing brush. This is kind of an in-between brush, so I just use that. And then we're gonna go in with an orange and just have a nice orange that matches your sweatshirt and put that on there. It won't focus, but you know, I'm gonna keep trying. So I took a smaller brush, but it doesn't look any different than the other brush that I used, and just start packing that on there. And as you can see here, the brush styles are the same, the sizes are just different, so that's why I like using these. And then start blending the orange into the yellow, and as you can see with one eye, I left it open and you can see the white because I realized I wanted to put in red there, so that's what I'm gonna do eventually. And get the white and put that in there so that we can have a nice base for the red to go on. Ew, got orange all over it. And now we're gonna go in with this red and mix it with the orange. So mix those two together. And we're just gonna put that on the lid and blend it into the orange. And let me shine this light on so you can see there is a difference between the red, orange, and yellow, but they blend in nicely, so I did a good job blending. And then I'm gonna take a softer, thin brush and I'm going in with this black. This black is wonderful. And very, very lightly, I'm going to tap my brush in there and put it under my eyes and just line the outer half of my eyes. Actually, probably, got it in my eye. Mandatory. Line the outer 1/3 ish of your eye. And do the same thing for the other eye. Let's hope it's in my eye. taking the jumbo pencil again, we're just gonna put that in the corners of the eye to brighten it up. And take the yellow again and put that in the corners of your eye. The yellow seems to work a lot better with the brush than it does with your finger. So I'm gonna take my brush and yes, works so much better. Take a used dense blending brush and take my highlighter, which is a really nice highlighter, and gonna put that on my brow bone and on the inner corner of my eye. And taking my favorite H2O proof eyeliner and gonna do my eyes off camera. And as you can see, I messed up and I'm very mad about this. But we can fix it. It's okay. I'm not dying inside. So, as you can see, the look is pretty nice other than the eyes messed up. So we're just gonna try to go over that with the red. But it wasn't really working too well. Didn't really cover too much. So take your trusted NYX jumbo pencil in milk and put that over top. And then we're gonna put the red on, and then it's gonna blend out and cover it up a whole lot better. Ta-da! All better. It's all fixed now. Then go in on the other eye and kind of do the same thing just so the reds match. So now for the highlighter, we're gonna go back in. It's a really dense angled brush. I really like this for highlighters. We're packing it on, and then I'll take another brush and blend it out. And you can't really see this highlighter, but when I go outside, it's really bright. Big fluffy brush, and this is just to blend it out more so I don't have such a harsh line, and obviously it's blended more. Just start putting highlighter in random places because that's what other beauty gurus do. That was a very hard sentence to say. And now we're going in with a nice pinky nude lip, because our eyes are so bright, might want to go with a nice nuder lip. I wanted to upgrade my nude lip, so I put some highlighter on the center and blended that out a bit. I took my nice iridescent pink eyeshadow and put that all over, because who doesn't love some iridescent glitter? Remember guys, it's not hollow, it's iridescent. And thank you guys, that's basically it. I forgot to do a little wave goodbye at the end, so just gonna have some weird faces while I do lips.